What's up, everyone? Welcome to Maths with Gaston. Question 6, November 2021, grade 10, Maths paper 1. It was a financial question, and then let's go move right along and deal with this one straightforward. And then if you have not subscribed, please, guys, subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. I think I've done what I can to deserve your subscription, guys. All right, great stuff. And then I really appreciate if you subscribe and share this video with your friends and or with someone who really needs it. Okay, great stuff. So let's have a look at this question. The Inkosi family of three from Debsonville wishes to attend a soccer World Cup in Qatar in 2002. The cost of the tickets at present moment is 2,150 Qataris reals per person per game. Okay, this is how much it's costing per person per game. All right, and we already know that there's how many of them. There's three of these family members. Okay, the family would like to attend the last four games. Okay, we know they want to attend the last four games. So first question says 6.1. Okay, 6.1 says calculate the total cost in rands of the tickets for family if the exchange rate is equal to 1 rands is equal to 4 rands. Okay, good stuff. So but we need to, the first thing first, we need to get the total amount that they're gonna pay as a family. So we know that they're gonna pay 2,050. So how many are they? There's three family members. They want to attend 4 games. Okay, so the total amount that they will use, according to this Qatar currency, they will use 25,800. Okay, great stuff. So now if we apply the exchange rate, we are going to say this is 1 reals. Okay, it's equals to 4 rands, 0.12778 rather, is equals to that. Okay, so now what do we have here? We've got 2,500 and 25,800 rather real is equals to how much rands do we need? So what do we do now? We cross multiply. If you cross multiply, therefore your answer, you should be able to get to this times, therefore your answer should therefore be in rands. So therefore this should definitely give us, if we put that in our calculator, it's giving me 100 and 3,529 and 67 cents. Okay, so that's how much total amount the family needs in rents. This is a exchange rate question. I think it's fairly fair and straightforward. Okay, now let's move on to 6.2. 6.2, on 6.2 they are saying on the 1st January 20, the Mr. Nkosi invested this amount of money, 50,000. So Mr. Nkosi invested 50,000. It means its P is a starting amount. Simple interest rate, therefore 13%. Determine whether the value of the investment at the end of 2001 will cover the cost. Okay, let's find out. A is equals to P. They said simple interest here. I, there you go. We already know what is P. I is 13. It must be divided by 100. Remember, 0.13. So how long is this one? 2019 minus 2001. That's our N, is going to give us 2001 minus 2019 at the end of the year, or you can count it. You can say 2019 December 1 year, 2020 December second year, 2021 December third year. So it's going to be 3 years. So we are going to come here and say, okay, no, 50,000, 1 plus 0.13, which is our interest. This interest should be multiplied by 3. Okay, then we go ahead and put this in our calculator. Okay, put this in our calculator. Is going to give us 69, 500 and 500. Okay, so therefore, based on the exchange rate, this is we need like 100,000, and therefore here he Mr. Nkosi will only have 69. So now, therefore, we can simply say they won't be able to cover. So now you need to answer the question, guys. You must come here and say they will not cover the cost if you invest money on a simple interest. Okay, but guys, I think if he had invested on a compound, he was going to be able to cover the cost. But because it's simple interest has very small amounts. Okay, good stuff. So now let's move to question 6.3. Okay, 6.3. 6.3 says here, would the family want a strong rand or a weak rand when they purchase the ticket? Give the reason for your answer. I think this one is straightforward, guys. I think you would want the rand to be stronger. Okay, strong rands. And then our reason would be, if rand is strong, if rand is strong, they will pay less. They will pay less. Yeah, simple, straightforward, guys. Where I am now, I'm closer to Botswana. Botswana's pula is very strong. So what they do, they come this side and buy using pullers, but buying with the rent. So they actually spend less money. So you would want the rent to be stronger so that you pay less. It's like when you move from South Africa, then you are visiting Thailand. Thailand's currency is, the rand is stronger than the currency in Thailand. Therefore, your holiday will be cheaper if you were to go there. All right, good stuff. So now let's go ahead and look at yeah, guys, I think 6.4, I'm going to leave it for you guys. Please make sure that you attempt 6.4. I'm leaving it for you guys to do it alone. And please make sure that you leave your answer on the comment section. We would compare our answers. Then therefore, we can simply do a short video on 6.4 where we can share our answers and see how much we got. If we made a mistake, we can make corrections together. Remember, the aim is for us to learn from each other, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe and you join this channel so that we can do mathematics together. I really enjoy doing this with you guys. I will definitely see you on the next upload where we'll be doing question 6 November 2020.